the next side will have a pointy end there. Yeah, it's a noisy afternoon. We're putting up the sheathing on the small office. Pastor Desmond and Kian is there helping me out. Put up one, several more to go. Hey, what's up, people? Yeah, so what we're doing is I'm just putting up the sheathing, you know, as I show you all a little clip, you know. So I have well, eventually almost all the sheathing is already up on the property. And basically what we did, what I had those guys helping me to just basically put up the main sheathing, and basically we just tack some nails in. And what I've been doing today is just finishing nailing. I'm nailing it in the edges. I'm putting it 4 inches apart, and in between the areas I'm putting it 6 inches apart. Yeah, it has some children there. They've been troublesome. Right now they play fighting. Yeah, I don't know if I get any flu or something. So basically let me just show you guys. So basically, yes, basically what I'm doing today. Okay, yeah, so this is the progress, you know. Basically this is a sub sheathing. I put 1/2 inch foam ply there, and that's because I can't really afford the treated ply. I just find it's too expensive. I don't go and buy treated plywood. So what I did is I put the 1/2 inch foam ply, and what I'll do is I'll hire the Terminex people to just come and spray down all the foam ply for me, so that it will get some termite treatment and other bugs that might affect it. So that's basically it. So you can see I have a few pieces. Yeah, so most of the sheathing I nailed most on this side already, everything. Yeah, so the sheathing is up. As I was saying, I'm putting a sub sheathing. It's just to give the building a little bit more strength, more sturdy. So basically the strength of the building is the plywood that I'm putting there right now. That's why I am putting the nails so close apart. Yeah, anyway, there's all these children playing around. Yeah, so I'm not necessarily short of one plywood. There's that. If I had only cut them properly, I would have the pieces to put there, but you know, I didn't. I miscalculated when I was cutting, so I ended up cutting one too much in certain areas, whereas where I would have cut one, I could have used pieces. So I have to buy another one so that I can put it half and half on both sides, because I kind of like staggering it on this side. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to do some nailing on the next side over there. Well, on this side has some nailing has to be done on this side, so I'm going to do that now. Let me just get my ladder. Well, look, my ladder right there, just to bring it on the next side. Okay guys, so the last thing I'm going to do today is I'm going to put my plywood up in this corner here along this post. I already marked it out. See that? I already marked it out here. Yeah, but unlikely I don't have the tripod with me. And yeah, more than likely, or you might not see me cut it, and or you might not see me put it up because I don't have a tripod right now, and it's getting late. I don't have time to go inside. As you can see, the sun already go down. it's just for it to just for the light to disappear. Yeah, and that will basically be it for the video. Yeah, so I'm just going to mark that. I already marked it. I have my purse over there. I'm going to connect it, cut it, and put it up. Yeah. So that's the update, people. That's the update of the building project. The next thing I'm going to do is I think I'm going to put the plywood on top. What I'll do, I'll buy some construction plastic and cover the top after I put the plywood so that the rain doesn't get it. Yeah, I think that's the best thing to do right now. Yeah, anyway, that's about it. Stay up to date, guys. I'll try my best to put more detail in my future videos, believe me. Okay guys, you see darkness take me outside there, but yeah, but I get it done. Take me a little while because it's me and me alone, and I give it quite a lot of nails. So that's about it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, a lot more to go on this project, so stay tuned, stay up to date, look out for the updates. Take it easy, guys. Yeah, it's late and it's raining. Let me just show you guys the end product. Yeah, this is how it looking. All the sheathing basically have been up. Well, most of it. That's basically the sheathing for the ground floor. The extra space that there, the sheathing that's going to come about. I'm gonna let it overlap and come under, you know, so that it can lock the first floor walls together. It's raining. I don't know about you guys, but this thing looks great. Yeah, bear in mind that that's just a sub sheathing, eh? The end product, I'm going to use rabbit and spring boards. Yeah, so this is how we coming on. It looks good in my eyes. Yeah. So we're getting there one step at a time. See this? This area, these two areas there, they're gonna be fixed glass windows, so they will not be able to open. And then we have two small windows there. Those windows are 3x2, and then I think that's a 3x3 at the end there. Yeah, and this one I believe is 4x4. Relatively big window for the kitchen area, kitchenette. So this is it. Hi there, how are you? Yeah, so this is it.
I bought my other plywood, as you can see.
This is it, guys. This is it. So we're moving closer. We're one step closer. Let's see how the inside looks, huh? Let's see how this place looks by inside. It's raining. I think my next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the plywood at the top. Yeah, so this is the bathroom area. This is how we're looking by inside. Yeah. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Yeah, so I'm getting there piece by piece. What I just did is I called one of the Terminex people to just come and spray down the plywood for me, because the plywood I have there is not treated plywood. It's foam ply. I don't know if some of you can recognize that, whoever that's familiar with the different types of plywood, and it's untreated. So you know that's definitely a home for termites to come and enjoy themselves. So the Terminex guy just come and he just sprayed on both in and out, and he didn't charge me much, and I appreciate that. Yeah. So I know that at least for a few years I don't have much to worry about when it comes to termites, because I know around here has quite a lot of termites. And if all you can remember, while I was in the foundation, there were three. While I was clearing out the land, there were three huge termite nests on this property, and I caught them fire. But termite, they live in the ground. The nest might be above the ground, but they actually live in the ground. So even if you get rid of the nest, they are still in the ground. Yeah, so that's the thing. So yeah, so that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Keep up to date. Don't forget to like, yeah, leave a comment, and of course click that subscribe button if you want to be updated on any future videos. If you want to know the updates, you know I'm not sure when I'm going to start the upstairs. What I'm going to do is I'm definitely going to put the plywood, as I mentioned, and then what I'm going to do is I'll buy construction plastic, and I don't know if I mentioned that already, but I'll buy construction plastic and I'll lay it on top of the plywood so that it doesn't get water damaged, because I'm sure it's going to take me a while before I can move higher up. But if you all can contribute in any way, it might happen even faster. If one or two of you send me some contribute in some way. I have a Patreon page. Be a part of my Patreon so that I could just share the videos. Maybe if I get a lot of views, then maybe I can get monetized on that channel, and YouTube might start to pay me for the content, and then that payment would go towards finishing build this project. I need 1,000 subscribers to let that happen. Right now I think I just about 50 something subscribers. So I have I have 900 and something subscribers to go. Yeah, but anyway, thank you guys for the little subscribers that I have, and thank you guys for all those that have watched my videos, and enjoying it and still watching it now. As I mentioned earlier, sorry that I cannot show you so much detail, and all that again could contribute towards me showing you more detail on this project, because maybe then I might be able to maybe hire a camera guy, or purchase some more professional cameras and more camera gear, so that I can put my cameras in different areas so that we get much more detail. Take care, guys. See you guys on the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe. As I said, share the video with your friends as well. Peace out. I put half inch